have Chef Suzanne at our school. She runs a program, the Chef à l'École, where students are able to participate and learn, and the vocab that they learn in French, they're able to create French pastries. The program is based on culture, so therefore there's music and authentic stories. Students are engaged. The students love being in the spotlight.
I'm the proud owner of Chef à l'École, and I have the privilege of working with students across Canada, motivating them to use their French. I meet wonderful students, wonderful teachers, very caring people, and I have the honor of baking with them.
As you say, passez,
The recipe is my own. It's called sablé à la lavande et citron. It's a lemon lavender shortbread.
My favorite part about the workshop today was the baking. I learned a lot of the French words are pretty close to English words. Bowl in French is just bowl.
There is a package shared from the presenters, and what we do as educators is we take those words and we learn about them. That you could really see how they are helping each other.
All students walk away feeling impressed with their own skills and their ability. That to me is the end goal for Chef à l'École.
Stay connected with us. For the latest news, information, and videos from across the SCDSB, follow us on social media.